In this video, we will show you how to set up the domestic hot water function on your Airwell heat pump. Domestic hot water mode should be set to yes. If disinfection is going to be carried out by the heat pump, this should also be set to yes. Domestic hot priority is also yes. This means the heat pump will prioritise hot water over the heating in the colder weather. .13 TDBH delay is the delay time until the booster heater within the tank comes on. We would recommend setting this to 60 minutes for tanks up to 200 litres, for anything above 90 minutes. 1.14 T5S DI is the disinfection set temperature. We would recommend setting this to 60 degrees. 1.15 TDI high temp is the time it will hold this temperature for. We would recommend setting this to 15 minutes. 1.18 TDHW HP max is the maximum time the heat pump will operate in domestic hot water when there is a heating demand. We would recommend tanks up to 200 litres, this is set to 60 minutes, for anything above 90 minutes. Once all the settings are set, press escape until you are prompted to save the settings. Select yes, this will then return you to the main screen. Once back at the main screen, press the right hand arrow to highlight the domestic hot water set temperature. The domestic hot water can then be enabled by pressing the on-off button so that the tap symbol changes in the top left hand corner.